To create this sunlight line effect in Photoshop, first select the polygonal lasso tool and draw the sunlight shape in the direction you want. After making the selection, open a brightness contrast adjustment layer and increase the brightness to around 49. Then open the feather option and set it to about 30px so the edges become soft. Next, add an exposure adjustment layer. Hold Alt and drag it above the previous adjustment to replace the mask. Reduce the exposure to around 1.33. Now create a new layer. Choose the brush tool, pick a red color. Set the brush size to around 53px with 0 hardness and soft round selected. And paint gently inside the selected area. Change the blending mode of this painted layer to overlay and reduce the opacity to around 15%. Finally, hold Shift to select all 3 layers. Switch to the Move tool, and you can drag the sunlight line wherever you want.